back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this matte black makeup look. If you're looking for a go-to makeup look for the winter time or even in the summertime, just stay tuned and I will show you how you can achieve this look. Alright guys, so for this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna go right into the look. So the first color that I'm going to be using is Los Angeles, and this is the shade. And I'm going to use that for the transition color. So I'm just gonna go right into that and just start blending. And I try not to use too much because I don't want it to be extremely dominant. I just need to have just a little bit of color in that area, so I'm not using too much of that product. And I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. Right, so we have our transition shade on. And while we have that on, I'm going to go ahead and put glue on my lashes. That way, when we're done with the eye look, we could just throw on our lashes. These are the lashes that I'm using. I did a video on this. I'll link it down below so you can check it out, but I got these from Amazon. And I'll be using the ones right here in the center. Next up, I'm going in with High Dude, which is a very dark brown shade. And I'm going to use this in the outer corners. So I'm just gonna go in with that blending brush and just slowly pat that color in. And I like to pull it inwards, as you guys are seeing, and then slowly blend it around the corners and pull it inwards like that. We're gonna go in with Vervrum, which is this shade. To be using a flat brush, this is the Morphe S4 brush to just apply that shade. You just go right in the center, like so. This shade is like a charcoal gray, which is absolutely amazing. It gives you that subtle smoky eye without, you know, it being too dramatic. Oh, and then I'm just going to blend. Going to go back in and apply a little bit more of that charcoal gray. Now I'm going to go in with What's the Tea. It's this mustard shade right here. I'm going to go into my tear duct with that shade. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Vervrum, that charcoal gray shade we used. I'm going to use that. Because we want this to be a very subtle makeup look, I don't use a black shade for the lower lash line. You know, usually you would use a black shade and then blend it out with, or smudge it out with the color that you use for your transition shade, but I'm not doing that. I want it to stay minimal. I'm gonna go in with Los Angeles, blend that color out. going to apply mascara. So the glue is still trying to dry, doing the most on the lashes. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and apply powder and finish up the makeup look. I'm using the MAC Merino Light Skin Finish Powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deepest. I just realized I didn't contour, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. Applying powder. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick, and this is a contour matte stick. This is in the shade Espresso. I'm just slowly blending that in. Anyways, I'm just blending those shades in. Forehead. It's such a struggle filming without a DSLR camera because the whole setup just gets messed up. I have to film on my phone, and then it's such a struggle. Just know it is a struggle, but I make it work. The sides of my nose, and I just realized that it's still wet, so it's probably going to mess up my contour. Jeez, I hate when that happens. I watched it yesterday and I just realized that it's still wet, so I'm just going to dab with my finger like this because I don't want it to mess up my look. All right, so let's finish off with the powder. To set up my contour, I'm using the Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution contour palette, and this is Dusk Till Dawn. And I'll be using this shade to contour, and then this one for blush. I actually like this face palette. I'm just gonna use that blending brush to fix my nose contour. And to apply blush. For highlighter, I'm using the Stila Cosmetics. What is this highlighter called? Oh, Heaven's You highlighter, and this is in the shade Bronze. Way too much. Going to go back in with that angled brush that I used for blush to just blend everything in. Guys, I have the lashes on. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the look by applying lipstick. I'll be using the Morphe, what is this lip gloss called? Famous lip gloss. So I will apply the Fenty Beauty matte stick on my lips and then just finish it off with this lip gloss. I'm just applying that lip gloss on. All right guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for stopping by and supporting my channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.